seafood and meats. We're about to have an awesome time. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know anything. It don't even matter what you put in the comments. But if you like food, if you like good food, if you like seafood, meats, any type of food, this is the channel you need to be on. Make sure you hit that notification bell and stay up to date. Because we're going to be talking about some food and some more food. So come on, let's go. Let's get into these drinks. Strawberry, leche, mojito. So you gotta have like a Spanish accent when you say it because it's a Spanish drink. So it looks kind of festive. This one looks kind of mysterious because it got the smoke in it. So she said let the smoke sit on there a little bit so it can marinate into the liquor. So we're gonna play with this one after we do something with this one. Oh my God, this is strong. They got stuff in my straw. Oh, this is yours. If you don't want to spill a drink with me, America. So we are going to take the smoke out of this. Are you ready? I need to go live. So we live on live. Right. So we are at Parkside District. Parkside District. So this drink is kind of extraordinary. There is smoke in the glass. So cool. So since we're on live, we're going to reveal the smoke on live. Is that amazing or what? Like a little olive in there or something. Make sure you guys stay tuned for all the pictures and the video on YouTube. Make sure you go ahead and jump on that. Y'all gonna get to watch me eat this food live, so you won't have to wait that long for the video. This is a crab cake. It don't look like one. That's a good crab cake. I don't know the actual name of it, but it's a Brussels sprout. That's some good Brussels sprouts. Whatever sauce they got on it, that's pretty good. Y'all stay tuned because we got a lot of food on the way. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this because I eat like a savage. Y'all don't need to see all of that. But we're gonna be live. Stay tuned. So if you're looking for the best restaurants around the nation, around Georgia, around the world, this will be the place to subscribe. We're going to show you all the restaurants, all the great destinations, all the great places to eat. So make sure you hit that notification bell and stay tuned to what we got going on. Thank you. Thank you. What's that, the mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese.
Velveeta. Velveeta, baby. We need a sponsorship. Velveeta. Fantastico.
Thank you. Yes. Okay, I'll be back in a couple bites. Okay.
Woo. Nice. see all this food, like, I know y'all be like, this guy is such a fatty. Nah, half the time I don't eat all this, trust me. But, where should I start? Where should I begin? There's just so much. I'm gonna say the burger for last, so let me start with this. So this sauce around here look like it might be spicy. That was a mushroom. That's like a little test. Mushroom good though, but it's not spicy. It's an asparagus. Pretty good asparagus. I love lamb chops. These lamb chops are awesome. Ooh, it's fresh. It's really fresh. It's still hot. You taste the livestock taste a little bit. I call it the livestock taste. Because it's livestock. Don't laugh at my corny notes. But usually when I eat lamb chops, I eat it with like a peppermint sauce. I didn't even ask for that, but these taste pretty good without it because the livestock taste isn't overwhelming. I don't even know the professional term for that, but yeah. But this is pretty good. It tastes like real healthy. Like the mushrooms taste real good. The asparagus tastes real good, and the lamb tastes awesome. Like it's not too flavorful, and it's not overbearing, but it's pretty good. So unfortunately, I can't stay on this dish because we got the burger. And we got the macaroni, and I gotta let y'all know, hey, this right here, if you don't like lamb, this should be your first choice. Are you ready for this? Thank you. No problem. Thank you. And hell no. That's the cake for real? Hell no. Do you see this? Like, this look like real bread. Like, everybody's looking at me. I feel so embarrassed right now. Like, this is embarrassing. Like, these people are looking like, bro, are you really about to eat all of this? It's no way, like, this is crazy. Like, I thought it was gonna be small portions because it's like 3 for $20. This is not 3 for $20. This is 3 feeding everybody. They just embarrassed me. They really want a good review. That's what this is. That's all this is. Because they showed out with this. They really did. Like, I could have got this by itself. And it looked like it got moose and stuff. It looked like something out of my life. Oh my God, I didn't know it was this big.
Yeah, that is deep. Have you ever watched Matilda?
Yeah, but
you know that cake is giant, so we replicated it.
Like, for real?
Wow, tastes good. Tastes good. You guys like it? Let me get you guys a bag.
Probably need like 2 to-go bottles.
Yeah, because when I seen the 3 for $20, I thought it was just gonna be a smaller version of it.
No, yeah, everyone thinks that, but no, you get the full size of it.
Wow.
What's this? It's tiramisu, or strawberry shortcake, peach cobbler, and soda cake.
This is crazy.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Let me get some boxes over in the back.
Okay. So, Bon Appetit freaks. Like, I'm going to indulge in this sugar rush, and you guys are gonna watch. Yes, you're gonna watch. So let me tell you my order. My favorite to least favorite. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Bon appetit freaks, we about to wrap it up here. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to eat all of this, but it will get devoured by, I don't know what to say. I really don't. I'm speechless. I didn't even know what to think when I came to this place, but it really shocked me. And I really like the food. I'll be back, I promise. Promise. So this place gets the Bon Appetit certification of a place you need to really come to. It's stamped, sealed, delivered. Bon Appetit certified. Let's go. Parkside District. It was more than what I expected. It was beyond words. I can't even sum up the words to give to you on what this place did to me. But you can watch the full video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you stay in tune if you want to see this great food, this excellent service, and me eating food. I mean, that's all you want to see. Me eating food. Make sure you come to this place, check it out. Shrimp and grits. I promise you. Can't lose with that. Every time. It's me, Nick, from Bon Appetit Food Critique, signing out. About to go.